In this video, we demonstrate how to create accessible tables in Microsoft Word and other applications. When creating an accessible table, the most important element is a clear header row. The header row contains the column titles and helps screen readers understand what each column represents. As the screen reader moves through the table, it can announce the relevant header for each cell. For example, if a cell contains 250, the screen reader can announce Sales 250, giving the user context. The accessibility assistant won't flag missing alt text for tables, but alt text is still essential for anyone using a screen reader. Each table should have a clear title and description in the alt text field. This is read out first, helping the user decide whether they want to navigate through the full table content. To add this, right-click anywhere in the table and choose Table Properties. Then click on the Alt Text tab. The title should be short and clear, while the description provides a bit more context about the table's purpose and content. Click OK to save. When formatting your table, choose a table style that supports readability. On the Table Design tab, you'll see a gallery of table styles. Choose one with good contrast between the header and data rows and between alternating rows. Avoid styles with low contrast or excessive colours that might be distracting. Now, let's make sure the header row is properly designated. Click anywhere in your table. Then, from the Table Design ribbon, in the Table Style Options group, make sure Header Row is selected. This tells screen readers that the first row contains headers, not data. While you're on the Table Design tab, also enable Banded Rows. This adds alternating background colours to rows, creating visual structure that helps everyone, not just screen reader users, follow information across the table more easily. This is especially helpful in tables with many columns. It's important to keep your table structure simple. Avoid nested tables, that is, tables within tables. These create confusion for screen readers, which then can't navigate the structure properly. Don't split or merge cells unless absolutely necessary. Screen readers rely on a consistent grid structure. When cells are merged, the reading order becomes unpredictable and users may miss information or hear it in the wrong order. Here's an example of a table that would be difficult to navigate. It has merged cells in the header, split cells in the data area, and an inconsistent structure. A screen reader would struggle to make sense of this. If you need to present complex information, consider whether a table is really the best format, or if you could break the information into multiple, simpler tables. A few more tips for accessible tables. Keep tables simple. If a table is becoming too complex, consider splitting it into multiple tables. Use consistent formatting within columns. Avoid leaving cells empty. Use NA or none instead so that screen readers don't skip over them confusingly. To test if your table is accessible, try navigating it using the Tab key. Press Tab to move from cell to cell. Does the order make sense to you? Can you understand the data without seeing the visual layout? If the navigation is confusing, the table structure may need to be simplified. The same principles apply to tables in PowerPoint and Excel. For more information on creating accessible tables and other accessible content, please visit the Digital Accessibility page on the Digital Skills Hub.